Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Rin, and I'm so excited to show you guys my thoughts about this Innisfree green tea special balancing kit that I bought from Meanbox. Little disclaimer, I used my CVS foaming facial cleanser as a face wash on a day-to-day basis. I used it in the morning and at the night, and I used this avocado and oatmeal mask I got from CVS like once a week. It smells like yogurt, so it's really good. It's a purifying clay mask for your face and it dries down. I recommend you use this on dry skin because it dries so much faster. And then I used this St. Ives mini apricot scrub. It smells like heaven. It smells really good, and it kind of smells like bubblegum, like an apricot flavored bubblegum. And I like how the beads are tiny and the beads don't hurt me, like they don't scratch me. Some of the beads that because some of the scrubs that I've used in the past kind of scratched my face, and I don't like that, like it hurt. And for sunblock, I just used this Neutrogena Beach Defense water and sun protection. Like I bought this because it said water and I sweat a lot on my face. Like my friends know, my parents know, everyone who knows me knows that I sweat a lot around my nose especially. But that sounded like a pun. Like they know my nose. Okay, enough with geeking out. And enough with geeking out. And I also used the Bon Vivant sheet masks. I used the mint and tea tree one for the first week because I was kind of breaking out. And then I used the Bon Vivant That Day sheet mask from the series, and it was the blemish care one that I used, and it worked pretty good. I honestly felt like the mint and tea tree one worked better, and plus I felt like a small tingling sensation. I think that was the mint, but I felt like that worked better than the blemish care one. That's just my thoughts. And now onto the real products, the real stars of the show today. I'm gonna be talking about this. This has a green tea balancing skin lotion and cream. I use this as a toner, I use this as a moisturizer, and I used this as like another layer of moisturizer for like 3 days, but then it started like finishing really fast, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna finish this in like 2 more days if I just go on with this. So I ended up using this as like eye cream, and it was okay as eye cream. It was a little thin for eye cream, like I like thicker eye creams. And yeah, to talk about this, I feel like this has a fragrance. Like the fragrance isn't like an overpowering fragrance or something, but it's not fragrance free as well. So if you do not like fragrances in your skincare products or your makeup products even, then I do not recommend you buy this, because you're gonna be like, ugh, really? My skin can't handle this. Okay. And also, if you have dry skin, I do not recommend you buy this. I only recommend you buy this cream, and I recommend you use this all over your face, because these two are just going to be really thin for you if you have dry skin. I think this is more suitable for people with combination skin or acne prone skin, like oily skin, because it's really light. And I feel like this is a product that I should have used during the summer, because it's so light. Like this is good for the summer for my skin, but it's not good for the winter, because where I live it snows sometimes, and when it's snowy my skin gets so dry, like I feel like I need to put Vaseline on top of it so my skin's not gonna get cracked and all. So I recommend you buy this during the summer if you're buying the full pack, but I would not purchase this in the full size, because this in the small size is just $5, right, for these 3, but in the full size each of these costs like around $20, and I'd rather buy another product that's $20 rather than buy this product. So yeah, these are my thoughts. I feel like if it had a little less fragrance, then I'd be like okay with it, but you know, like not everyone likes fragrance in their products. So this is not bad. Like it didn't break me out. That's really good. I just broke out a little, and that's natural for me. I mean, that's natural for me. so I don't have complaints about like, oh, it's bad, it just made my skin so red and hideous or something. This is like my normal skin, but yeah, it didn't break me out. If you just want to try it, then oh, you can't try it right now because this little travel size is not on the website anymore. You just have to buy the full size, and the full size is like $20, so pick and choose wisely, people. Yeah, but I'm just happy that I got a chance to buy this and try this. Okay, and that's the end of my video, guys. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.